This is Cesar Gonzalez with Gonzalez Marketing Consultants. Ms. Judith, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present this to you. I just wanted to go over what we do and what we represent here in the Rio Grande Valley and how we're starting this new marketing firm to try to assist you with getting new patients as well. So I'm going to dive right into it. There's a couple of pieces of info, and then if you have any questions, you can always call me back when you're done watching the video. So how we generate 85 new patient leads in about a 60-day time frame. This is not for everyone. We're looking for a serious, dedicated family dentist office that we can partner with in Brownsville. It's going to be an exclusive partnership. I'm going to explain to you a little bit how that works and how we're going to go ahead and have that partnership benefit both of us, right? So this is just a real quick overview of what we offer. So these are our landing pages for a dentist office, right? This is how much they spend monthly when it comes to their budget for these landing pages. So we have 10K, 7K, 25K. This is per month for them to track the leads. I'm going to show you a little bit in the Brownsville area how that works, and how you're able to garnish those leads and how that might help you grow, right? So what we've uncovered is why some family dentist competitors spend about $30,000 and they lose about $8,000 because they're advertising the wrong way. It halts their advertisement, completely advertising the wrong way. What you can get, how you can get, a new family dentist patients the same day, and not worry about SEO investments taking forever. SEO, that means is search engine optimization. You go ahead and you pay an amount to be sure to come up on the Google search, but not specifically AdWords, like how I'm going to explain that to you now. How to prevent good patient leads to run away to your competitors. How this particular channel that I'm presenting to you, how it's a perfect add-on or replacement to any existing AdWords strategy or advertisement that you currently have, and not pay an outrageous amount per click when it comes to the market. How many more patients you can get in your area, we're going to cover all that here. So I hope you're excited. I'm very excited to present this to you. I want to, again, we're looking for exclusive partnership in Brownsville, so I want to make sure I provide you with this opportunity for that. So smart ad spending, what that means to you, right? What can we do to help? What can Gonzalez Marketing Consultants do to help you? That's what we're going to continue on today. So first of all, we are admins to RGV Connects You. It is a Facebook secret group closed page that members pay to be part of this. So customers pay $5 to be able to access this particular page. What does that mean for you? So if you decide to go ahead and partner up with us and be an exclusive provider or an exclusive member as for your dental office, you will get highlighted in the Brownsville area, as this is our office we recommend. So our customers are going based off of recommendations that we provide. So we've done the research, we've done this particular office is what we want to promote. You'll be featured weekly. Packages range from basic, mentioning office every week to video feeds to drone video access of your offices. All that would range, of course. But we would get you exclusive access in the Brownsville area just for you, right? On your end would be, you would provide these customers coming from RGV Connects You with VIP treatment. So you would treat them, hey, I'm coming from RGV Connects You. They make sure that they know that they're coming from this page, and you would treat them as a VIP customer. Whatever you would like to do. So that will be up to you. We can always discuss that, how that works. Second, we work with Google AdWords, right? So I'm going to explain to you the little formula of how Google works, but I'm going to show you something first before we get started on this. So let me just bring up right here, bring up Google, and we'll do that, and then search your area for dental offices. So there was about 14.8 thousand searches locally in South Texas. When it came to that, global in the state of Texas, it was 18.14 thousand. And when it comes to weekly searches that were based off of a monthly number, and then you have your click-through rate, which is whenever they click on an ad specifically on what they're looking for. The ranking of an ad, which was 52, which is actually pretty high. The cost per click for that ad, and the monthly cost per advertisement when it comes to dental offices in the Rio Grande Valley. Okay, this is how much the Rio Grande Valley spends monthly when it comes to advertisement. There was only one new advertiser in the last 12 months. And there's 6 pages that were considered in the top 50 when it came to pages of from San Antonio, Corpus Christi, anything South Texas, considered South Texas. So just to give you an idea, for example, they have a couple of offices here. When it comes to that, 2.40,000 for North Year Dentist. How you saw right now, there was the office in Houston that spent over 17,000 so an advertisement. But this is pretty much how it works, right? So if I were to go in here and I will go ahead and I will put dentist in Brownsville. Let's do Brownsville first, right? There we go. So as you notice, we have a little ad, right? That's Google AdWorks. That's it coming into play. So award-winning dentist Brownsville. So this is just a Google page dedicated to telling you who is an award-winning dentist, right? You got your dentist based off of the map here, right? And then you start coming down into the pages of what you're looking for. So let's see, where would you be at if I just a basic Google search? You're right here, right? So this is where you're at. So if we were to include more words, right, that a customer would be able to identify with, we would move your ad up, and this is how we would do it, using this formula: your ad ranking, cost per click, and your quality score. Okay, so an example: advertisers 1 through 4, right? Advertiser number 4 pays $8 per click. So you would assume that would put you in a position where you'd be higher because you're paying more. That's not the case. Google's secret sauce is the quality score. This is what determines positioning for your Google ads. So advertiser number 1, they pay only $2 per click, right? But the quality score is 10, and I'll tell you what the quality score is made up of. And then at that point, they're position number 1 because of the quality of the ad. So it doesn't mean that you pay more, the ad shows up. It's the quality of the ad itself. Very simple explanation on how Google AdWorks works. So this is just target for keywords, right? So for example, if you were to Google bicycle, you get a real high cost to complete because you're going to get a bunch of things come up, right? It's just one word, a bunch of things will show up. This shit is bicycle, but a real low probability of conversion. What Google states is that a lot of people are starting to be very specific in their search. For example, black 10-speed beach cruiser. So that it's a low cost for complete, right? For an advertisement, but you get the highest probability because specific search for specifically what they're looking for, right? So what determines your click-through rate, which is what is one of the key factors for your quality score. So Google's chief economist said it that 60% of Google's quality score is determined by your click-through rate, ad relevance, which is right here, and your landing page. We're going to take care of all that for you, right? So this is the common practice. This is what most marketers do, okay? They have your campaign, your group within that campaign, and then an ad with several keywords within that group to form your campaign. This is more expensive, right? Because you're putting different number of ads within a group, so the more space you take up, the more you pay per click, right? Simple. So the way we do it is we optimize it for the 1% performance. So this is what we call a 1-to-1 method. More relevant clicks, higher quality score, which will put you higher positioning in Google. And we want to do a search term per group. So this is what we do. We put your campaign, you put your 2 group ads, right? And then we provide an ad with multiple keywords, up to 1,000 keywords. So we make that one ad extremely relevant. So that way you will be able to come up, your quality score comes up, you're only using one space within Google, so you're paying less, but the quality of the ad's going to be very, very high, which will make your positioning much, much better. So some of the factors: ad copies, we're going to take care of that for you. Search terms for the relevancy of that, we're going to take care of that for you. Geographical relevancy, so whenever they're searching within Brownsville, we're going to take care of that for you. Long tail usage, keywords on the ad, we're going to take care of that. Up to 1,000 words per keyword per account. Time of day of that, day of the week, all that will be part of what we offer for you. Okay. The landing page. What the landing page is, for example, so when we searched, right? We searched this right here on ad. So this will be a landing page. So if we click on it, you're going to see a page come up. This is more of a maps based off of Google, but let me go back really quick and show you exactly what a landing page would look like. That was more of the Google Maps area. It's probably this one will be a landing page, but they're not putting any advertising dollars. So yeah, so this is a simple landing page. Tells them what they are, who they are, to call. So it's a very, very simple page, right? It does ask us to contact us, right? But it's very small, not really calling out the customer. So we're going to take care of this landing page and make it very, very appealing to your customer. On top of that, within the landing page, we're going to put what we call a mousetrap. Okay, this is what gets your customers to put your information in there, which becomes hot leads, and you'll be able to take care of those as an office. So what we put is we use a survey quiz type of form within your landing page. 5 to 10 questions we can ask. We would ask, for example, we would put type of procedure needed for your teeth or something like that, right? And we'll give them their options. And then towards the very end, we put name. We put a question: can we please have your phone number and your email address, best time to call you? So they're voluntarily giving you all this information, and it's detailed, so you'll be able to go in there knowing what the customer's wanting, and you'll be able to get their services, right? So this is what we will put in your landing page, which makes the quality of your landing page much higher, which will put you in a better positioning with Google, on top of the Facebook that we will provide. So all that comes together in our marketing plan and our marketing package to help you. Okay. So I hope you are excited. I hope that you liked what we presented to you. It's actually very simple aspects, and we're trying to make it as simple as we can to garnish and get those major leads, instead of throwing a lot of money out there and trying to get, multiple positions. We just want to put one position out there and try to get you set up and ready with that. So hope that you like this. Hope you see the benefit for you, and I hope that you are able to contact us soon, because we are looking for a partner in your area. We work with dental offices, so we know exactly what works. We know the keywords that works. We know everything that works. We want to do that for you. Up to a certain point, you can start paying per lead. No risk for you, right? If you don't get leads, don't pay. Simple as that. And I'll guarantee you your money back when it comes to that. So no risk on your end if you really want to try this. On top of that, I will provide you free Facebook ads for one entire month on me, for allowing me to be able to try to help you with this. Very, very successful. Let me show you one of our first pages that we put for you. Let me show you real quick, just so you get an idea. Was this particular dentist, right? John Cook's DDS. This is in Houston. $10K a month, right? So let's go this real quick, just so you can see what we mean. While I'm doing this, you can reach me at 956-246-7098, or you can search. You can go ahead and email me at gonzalezconsultants@gmail.com. So Houston. This is in Houston, right? Who comes up first? John Cook's TDS. Perfect example. They're paying for their AdWorks, right? So I hope you see the value of this. I hope that we can team up with our Facebook, with our ad relevance, and try to get you the proper leads that you deserve, and for you to grow as a company at Dentist Office, and for us to grow as a marketing agency. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Please contact me if you're interested. Thank you very much.